When is the SpaceX rocket going to crash into the Moon? On February 11, 2015, a Falcon 9 rocket from Elon Musk's SpaceX launched from Cape Canaveral. After sending the Deep Space Climate Observatory (DSCOVR) satellite into an orbit where there's an unhindered view of the Sun, the rocket's spent upper stage went into a chaotic elliptical orbit of Earth 7 years later, and it's about to crash into the Moon, as reported first by Ars Technica after calculations by Bill Gray at Project Pluto, who tracks near-Earth objects. The SpaceX rocket will hit the Moon at 12:25 and 58 seconds Universal Time on March 4, 2022, when the 4-ton rocket part, officially known as 2015-007B, strikes the Moon's surface at a speed of about 5,700 miles per hour. It will do so because its elliptical orbital path takes it beyond the Earth-Moon distance. Exactly a month earlier, on February 7 and 8, 2022, the Falcon 9 upper stage is going to be visible from Earth. That's because it will round the Earth on its night side. It's the only time it's going to be possible to see it before it loops way beyond the Moon and smashes into our natural satellite on the way back. Before all that happens, we can all take a look at Object 2015-007B. Italian astronomer Gianluca Masi at the Virtual Telescope has announced that the event will be broadcast here at 1800 hours UTC on both February 7 and 8, 2022. He says that on the latter date the object will be at its brightest because it will be closer to Earth, at about 28,000 miles/45,000 kilometers. No, that's not going to be possible, at least, not from Earth, because it will actually crash into the far side of the Moon, specifically near a crater called Hertzsprung. Probably. However, it's possible that the impact and/or the crater it causes could be snapped by NASA's Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter (LRO), and/or India's Chandrayaan-2 orbiter. But hang on. Should we be outraged by this unnecessary littering/destruction of the Moon's pristine environment with space junk? It's certainly not the first time it's happened. NASA eventually, after a few misses, intentionally crashed some of its Ranger spacecraft into the Moon in 1964 so it could send back images of the lunar surface just before impact.